They want to call a friend of me and he talks with you. But das können wir nicht machen, Digga. Ich schwöre, das können wir nicht machen.
He wants
Yeah,
to
it's
do
like
what?
a friend. I know him 6 years, but he's evil.
Is it the Excel one?
No, it's not Axel. It's not Axel. No.
Okay.
Why? Huh? Oh, wait. Why you know Axel?
Can you and then he wanna call? He can call on Discord.
I guess. Stegi, geh mal ran, Stegi. Ich bin gerade am Apparat.
Ey, ich will das doch auch nicht, Hugo.
Ja, okay, dann lassen wir es, oder?
Das Problem ist, alle wünschen sich jetzt, aber ich habe keine Lust, Englisch zu reden. Du checkst doch.
Ah.
Scheiße. Aber ich finde, du hast bis jetzt gerockt alles.
Danke. Digga, hast du die ganze Zeit geguckt?
Nee.
Das ist krass, Digga.
Ich habe Minecraft gespielt und gezockt, und geguckt ein bisschen, weißt du?
Okay.
Bruder, ich traue mich doch nicht. Was soll ich mit ihr besprechen?
Bro, gar nix.
Willst du irgendwas wissen?
Bruder, weißt du was? Ich gebe dir jetzt das Headset und du redest jetzt kurz mit ihr.
Nein,
Ganz
sag,
kurz.
was du wissen willst. Gib mir eine Mission, ich schaff das.
Ich weiß nicht, was denn?
Ja, weiß ich
Oh.
nicht. Willst du irgendwas herausfinden oder so?
Was soll ich denn herausfinden wollen? Sorry.
Ja, weiß ich ja nicht.
Yeah, it's okay.
Weird Talk.
Du Wichser.
Ich traue mich nicht, Englisch zu reden, Bruder.
Gaslight sie, dass sie die Strähne färben soll.
Grün? Oder
Oh,
was willst du?
wait, das versteht sie?
Was?
Manipulier sie, dass sie die Strähne macht. Okay, ich geb dir jetzt, ne?
Okay. Bruder, was mache ich hier?
He is chill.
Ist
Yeah,
schön.
he's chill. You can put it on.
Hello.
Oh, hello, Coxic.
Hello. How are you?
Oh, I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine too.
I'm a little bit nervous because normally I don't speak English on stream, you know? And in Germany it's so, if I make a few mistakes,
Hardwatch.
chat is crashing out and is, oh, you are so bad in English, you know?
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, how do you like the day?
It's been good so far.
Okay. Before Hugo went out, is Hugo still there?
Yes.
OMEH
No, he doesn't
44.
hear you.
Oh, for real?
Yes, you can speak up.
But I see him on stream. He's sitting next to you, and his ear
Yeah,
is
but he
right
does.
next.
No, he doesn't hear anything. You hear? He doesn't hear anything. You see?
I don't know.
Yeah, he does not.
Hugo have to go.
To go where? He will go in a different room.
Okay, Bro,
Hugo,
was
you have
sagst
to
du
go.
jetzt, Digga? Okay, Digga.
Tell me all. What did you want to say?
Is again?
What did you want to say?
Okay. Hugo have a big wish,
Okay.
and he wants also to dye your hair.
Oh hell no.
Oh yeah.
Okay. And why?
I don't know. I think he wants to have
To match
dye
the
your
hair?
green.
Green.
Yeah. No, not red. He wants to have green hair on you.
Okay. Is his favorite color?
I don't know, but
Maybe we should ask you what's his favorite color so I can dye it in this color.
yeah, you're right. But
You
I think he would prefer
Why?
green hair.
Huh? We have a talk.
For how long?
It's for a few minutes more. Is it okay?
Okay. Few minutes.
Yeah, a few minutes.
Alright.
Okay. Okay.
But he said, not all hair,
Just
only one
one line.
one section of your hair. Yeah, one line, right?
Yeah, where?
I don't know.
Just
In
anywhere?
front?
In front?
Yeah, I don't know how to color your hair in general.
Ah,
think
okay.
In the
okay.
front, maybe.
Ah, I see. Okay.
Maybe like balayage in green. Do you know balayage?
Yes, I do. That
I
sounds.
don't know.
that sounds pretty good. I think that. Let's see if he's gonna say something about that.
Okay.
Okay. Are you? What?
Yeah.
Do you see the Hugo's chat?
I see Hugo's chat, yeah.
Do you see the
Do you
name?
like
they,
Hugo's chat?
Yes. Do you see the name that they've been spamming?
No.
You don't see
Kleiner
that
als
name?
3.
Oh, you mean Dilara?
Yes.
Yeah, I think it's an emote. It's like an emote like Oma, like
Yeah,
everything
emote.
else.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh huh.
It's emote spam. It's not a name.
Oh, why is it not coming up?
Oh, maybe
Like-
not the newest update from 7TV.
Can you share your screen so I see that emote?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Jack, could you spam that name to see like if Stedgy has that too?
It's like this one.
Yeah.
it's,
Stop lying!
No, it is.
You-
it is.
You filthy little liar. Really?
It's a famous emote in Germany from a content creator who has green hair.
So you want me to be that content creator? Hugo has
Not
crush
me,
on her?
and not.
Wait a minute.
I don't know. I don't think so. No.
Dilara.
I don't.
Hugo!
Oh no!
Hugo,
No!
come here.
No! Stop
Hugo,
it! Stop it!
Come.
No! Stop it! Yeah.
Hugo.
Maybe
Who
we
is
should
Dilara?
switch the topic. Hello? Yeah.
You can. Thank you for the talk, Stedgy. You're sweet.
No,
Who's Dilara?
Was hast du ihr gesagt? Was hast du ihr
viermal,
gesagt?
Hugo. Viermal.
Nein, hast du die Firma in die Wand gefahren?
Viermal.
Was ist passiert, Bro?
Okay, Hugo, du musst das
Okay,
irgendwie
Hugo.
fixen jetzt.
Was ist passiert? Was hast du gemacht? Bruder.
Famous influencer?
Was?
Influencer?
Was hast du gemacht, Stegi?
Ich habe nur gesagt, dass du dir wünschen würdest, so, dass du auch jetzt ihre Haare färben darfst,
Is
aber
it
nur so eine
the name?
Strähne.
Ja, und was
Und dann
hast du
habe
da...
ich halt gesagt, ich habe nur gesagt
Oh,
grün.
her?
Und dann hat sie zu mir gesagt, Bruder, warum schreiben alle, also ob ich Hugos Chat sehe? Und dann haben halt alle einen Namen reingeschrieben. Da habe ich gesagt, das ist ein Emote.
Oh.
Nur der ist nicht geladen gerade.
Oh.
Hat sie nicht geglaubt.
Okay.
Was machst du?
Stedgy has a crush
What?
on Dilara.
What the hell?
What he says to you?
Tell me, what would you like me to do? Wait, hold on, Stedgy, don't tell him. Stedgy, don't you dare say
Yeah,
something.
yeah,
Let me
okay.
have one. You quiet for a few seconds. What do you want me to do?
Nein. Bro.
You don't look at the chat. You don't look at the chat.
Okay. I have one thing,
Hörst
but...
du mich?
No, don't look at
Yes,
the chat.
I
Don't
close
look at
it,
the
I
chat.
close it.
You close the
I
chat.
close it. So.
What?
I say it,
Yeah,
but
you say
I don't
it.
know what he says about
Yeah,
that.
but he said something, and I want to see if you will confirm what he said.
No, because he is a trickster. He is a gaslighter. He is... Okay, I say it.
You say it. You
but
say it.
let me explain. He's a
No.
evil guy.
Just say
Okay.
you.
Bin ich ein
Just say
Trickser?
I don't know how to say it in English. To dye your hair,
Trickser.
but just a little.
Oh wow.
What he says?
The same thing.
Yeah, but he added a lie, right?
Yes.
Ja, kleiner Bastard, was hast du
No,
gesagt?
he didn't add the lie.
Ich
That's
habe doch
not
nur
the way
gesagt,
he
nur
said
die
it.
Farbe. Ich habe nur gesagt,
He
eine
didn't
Farbe, die
lie.
halt cool
Aber
wäre.
wie seid ihr auf die Lara gekommen?
Das hat Chat gemacht. Das hat Chat gemacht. Ja, sie
Okay.
versteht viel zu viel Deutsch. Das ist richtig angsteinflößend gerade. Lass uns mal
No,
eine
he didn't say
neue
anything
Sprache
bad.
erfinden.
Okay,
But why the fuck do you want me to dye my hair?
just one thing.
Why?
Because it's funny.
Hast du gut gerettet, Real Talk. Sag auch, andere Farbe geht auch. Sag, wenn du willst, auch
Another
blau.
color is also okay. Blue, pink.
Ja.
But why?
Just, nein, it's okay.
Sag-
It was a joke.
Nein, sag,
Okay.
weil ihr jetzt schon so vertraut deine Haare gemacht habt, jetzt möchtest du auch ihr.
Ich
Weil
leg gleich
das so,
auf.
warum?
No, it was a joke. He just wants to speak with you, and it was he wants to have a.
Can we see how stage you look like?
No, it's maybe you can
No,
go
no.
to. Darf ich sagen oder nicht?
Oh, lieber not, oder?
Okay. No, he don't show.
He kind of sounds like a crash though.
Like what?
Like
Like a
crash.
what?
You
Crash?
gotta say this thingy. Ara.
Du sollst Ara sagen.
Auf gar keinen Fall.
He says.
Sie macht dich den ganzen Tag zum Hund. Ich bin jetzt nicht der Nächste, der zum Hund gemacht wird. Ich, du bist ihr Schoßhündchen, nicht ich,
Oh,
weißt du?
Bro, was hast du
Ja.
gesagt? Ah, okay, nevermind. Okay, die sagen das zu dir. Okay, check. Alright. Ich leg jetzt auf.
Ja, ist fein.
Okay.
Ich drück dir weiterhin die Daumen
Danke.
und du hast meinen
Stagey
Rücken.
has a crush on Dilara.
Okay, ich muss auflegen. Ciao.
Hier hang up.